Dogecoin, Doge, digital money with deference, as Doge is the ideal illustration of what can be accomplished in the event that a cryptographic money has solid local area support. Brought into the world as a web image, Dogecoin shows how a basic joke might increment in worth and come to a $18 billion market capitalization. We've gathered realities about the Dogecoin example of overcoming adversity and gave Doge cost expectation. Dogecoin was somewhat changed when created as a fork of Litecoin. New blocks in the Doge blockchain are made quicker than in Litecoin, 1 moment against 2.5 minutes in LTC. Dogecoin's mining trouble is changed each block found and the award is fixed. The most particular change occurred in the brand and it turned into a main thrust behind its prominence. The tomfoolery picture of the crypto helped this image token to definitely stand out in different virtual entertainment. The coin turned well-known even external the local area of blockchain innovation fans. Dogecoin cost was in a downtrend for all of 2018. In spite of the multiple times the Dogecoin cost was going up for a brief time frame. Today, the drawn-out Dogecoin gauge isn't exceptionally splendid. During the value falls of spring, July, and September, Dogecoin was falling alongside the market. The Doge cost drop isn't however awful as it very well might be for Bitcoin, and the cost spikes after the downtrend show that Doge was recuperating quicker than BTC. Because of the way that Doge relies upon the digital currency market developments, anticipating its cost becomes troublesome, particularly in the long term. In expansion to Dogecoin, there are other digital currencies that can carry cash to their proprietors, the best cryptographic money to put resources into 2022 for a long haul. Dogecoin pattern investigation. Dogecoin prevalence was remarkably steady throughout the earlier year. You can see on the accompanying diagram that the coin even figured out how to get a hunt-term Dogecoin spike in prevalence. The coin was exceptionally fascinating for Google clients with regards to January 2018. 2 or 3 less huge pinnacles occurred in July and December. Toward the beginning of 2019, the notoriety was around a similar level as it was in a similar time of 2018, which is a significant achievement with regards to the business emergency happening today. Doge is generally possessed in the local area. Individuals try to involve their Dogecoins in day-to-day existence. As of late, added bidder fills Airbnb installment choice is a genuine model. The cost of Dogecoin isn't exceptionally receptive to media consideration. For instance, the report about Airbnb caused a cost ascend against USD by 3% north of 3 days after the declaration. As per Google patterns, Doge has a serious crowd and is most famous in Venezuela. Like Scramble, Doge ended up being one of the go-to cryptos in nations where the monetary framework is battling. Different nations with a lot of Dogecoin look incorporate Bangladesh, Pakistan, the Philippines, and Nigeria. It is a decent sign that the coin is utilized as an option in contrast to the authority government-issued types of money of these nations for financial trade between normal individuals. As of late, Dogecoin's cost increased by 100%. Such a triumph was sitting tight for the coin after the distribution of the viral video on TikTok, where the client of the Wolf of Bitcoins showed his mining ranch. An admonition has showed up on Dogecoin's true Twitter account, focused on potential cryptographic money purchasers. In it, designers encourage not to capitulate to FOMO and pursue speculation choices all alone. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Dogecoin costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Dogecoin will be $0.076. The greatest level that the Doge cost can reach is $0.085. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.078. Doge value conjecture for September 2022. In light of the value variances of Dogecoin toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Doge pace of $0.073 in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.066 and at $0.075, separately. October 2022, Dogecoin Value Gauge. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the Doge cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.071, while the greatest could reach $0.078 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Dogecoin may be around $0.074. Doge value figure for November 2022. Crypto experts have actually taken a look at the value vacillations of Dogecoin in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Doge rate they foresee may be around $0.076 in November 2022. It can drop to $0.073 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $0.081. December 2022, Dogecoin value conjecture. Around mid-year 2022, the Doge cost will be exchanged at $0.078 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Dogecoin worth to $0.085. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.076 in December 2022. Dogecoin value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Dogecoin in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Dogecoin will be around 11 cents. The greatest expected Doge cost might be around 14 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost may be 11 cents in 2023. Dogecoin value forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Dogecoin, in 2024, Doge is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 16 cents and 20 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 17 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of Dogecoin and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base Doge cost could drop to 23 cents, while its greatest can reach 28 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around 24 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Dogecoin by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least Doge costs are normal in 2026, 41 cents and 36 cents. By and large, it will be exchanged at 37 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2027. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the changes of Dogecoin. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical Doge cost will be around 50